Hello, today I'm going to be walking you through the Autosampler zipper tip calibration. That's How-To Guide 206. And it's important that your zipper tube is aligned because you want it to be perpendicular to the plate. So let's get started. This is on the 4000, however, these instructions work also with the Autosampler. The first thing that you'll want to do is remove the racks. So we'll do that. For this part, you can leave the standards rack in place. Next, I'm going to go to the KinExA Pro software, and I want to move the zipper tip over to my alignment guide on the plate. So once we open the KinExA Pro, we'll go to Tools, Options, Autosampler Configuration, and in this menu, under the rack, we're going to designate rack 2 as a 90 sample. Then we actually want to move the arm to rack 2, position 90. Then select Go. The zipper tip will automatically drop down in the appropriate position. So the tools that you'll need for this alignment are going to be the Autosampler Tip Alignment Tool, as well as a 1.5mm ball driver. So you can see on the plate that we have some cut lines here to guide you when you're doing this alignment. Set the alignment tool so that it's parallel with one of these lines. I've picked this angle for you to see. And then I'm going to adjust the alignment tool so I can get a good visual on if the zipper tip is parallel with those lines. If it's not, then I will need to make some slight adjustments, and I can do that with a 1.5mm ball driver. Looking down on this cradle, you can see two different adjustment screws. The screws are not independent of each other, so if I make an adjustment, then I need to make sure I check the alignment in the other position. So for this position, I will be adjusting the screw furthest away from me, and I'll move it to the right or to the left, and again, just small, slight movements, and the zipper tip will move in an arc. Check again until you're happy that it's aligned, and then once we're happy with this position, then we will turn it and check the alignment in the next position. Again, along parallel with the cut groove in the actual plate. Here, again, if I have to make adjustments, now I'm going to be using the screw that's closest to me, and I will turn it right or left depending on which direction that I want it to go, and we'll make slight movements, slight adjustments. And so when we're doing this, if I make an adjustment in this position, I need to go back and check it again in the next position. Once the zipper tip is aligned, it'll stay aligned unless it crashes or the zipper tip bends for some reason. So once you set it, you're good to go and you're ready to perform the rest of your calibrations on the Autosampler. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.